Hello, my friend. I'm Majid Saeed, and here we are now to teaching the next project. This project is about bangle, fusion, and the electroform. Both are in this project. This is I can say a big bangle. Okay, start to designing. We are now um, drawing our curves, our shape, and I help my sketching, and I insert our picture of um, sketching, and I drawing my curve from a sketch. I draw this sketch yesterday, and I now drawing my sketch with the curve, and now um, I'm on the point. Yes, the point curves. I determine the points. I move and change the curve. I change the point of curve until we arrive to best curve we want. Okay, if you want to know how I insert picture of my drawing, my sketch, how to insert in this software, contact to me and say to me teaching about that, teaching about the insert, the sketching, and in the future I teaching sketching about jewelry and gold designs, and how to insert in this software matrix 9. It's same in matrix 9, 8, I think, and 7. Okay, here, and I'm changing the shape of the curve to give a best shape. It's a need to time. You spend your time and very need to best seeing the curves and changing the point to trying exercise again and again to have a best experience in designing with the curve, and take a best view of shapes, take a best shapes. You can see my videos and trying and exercise with my videos, with my project. I try to complete project and put these videos in my channel, but in this video or in the future or several other videos, I try to teaching fast to it's easy your job. I try to um, teaching not very fast, not very boring. I don't like you're boring in my channel. If you have any question, you can contact me, leave a comment, or contact me in Instagram or Telegram. I answer your questions, or if you have any problem, I answer. I help you about jewelry and gold design. I design everything. My job is jewelry designing and product design. If you have problems in product design or jewelry design, or maybe in a building design, architecting, I can help you. Okay, we are trying to make a surface, and we are choosing the yellow curves and choosing the okay, it have a problem, I fixed them, and then choose two rail sweep, choose one rail, two rail, and in here we are choosing, for example, yellow curves, top curves, down curves, and the left curves, and in the right we choose a point. In a comments we choose a point, and then choose a point, a right point of yellow curves, and then in turn, okay, in the end we have a red surface with the sweep to rail icons in a surface unit. We are make a surface with the two rail sweep, okay, or patching, um, or networking. It's a three icon. We can make a surface with them. Okay. Here we are making a surface and extrude the round curves and look like a previous lesson. We are projecting our pattern on a surfaces and make this bangle in this form. It's look like a previous lesson. We are drawing the patterns and then make a surface, and then smashing, rebuilding, smashing on a plan, and then projecting the patterns on a smashed surface, and then flow along a surface. Uh, this is in this way we choose the projected patterns, okay, on a smashed surface. We choose them, and then choose the flow line surface, and then choose the base, means smashed surface, and then choose the target, means the surface is smashed, and then enter is projecting on a surface, and then choose all of them on a base. It's I choose the flow line surface, and then it repeats.